My name is Heena Sood, and I have completed my graduation in 2016. After that, I have joined the emphasis in backend system. I was working over there. I have completed 5 years. I have 5 years in experience in backend. After that, I have joined the finance department in UPS Logistics. Over there, I was working like three years in finance department. So overall experience is like 8 years. Still, I'm not satisfied with my job and salary packages and everything. So I thought I should learn new things. I should upgrade myself and I should learn new things. So I start searching what should I do. Then I realized EduplusNow is the best place, and I go through the syllabus. Heena ma'am explained me everything. This is the syllabus, this is the faculty. So I thought I should go with the EduplusNow. So then after that I go through the fee structure. Over there also Heena ma'am support me a lot. Like she gives me the installment facility. So I decided that I will join the EduplusNow. After that I have joined the course. Over there also I am so much happy, because after the 10 years I am little bit scared. This course will understand I should do or not. Still I am confused, but faculties is so much supportive. They were having good knowledge in the explaining part is very much convenient for the student and very easy to understand. They were explaining like that. So I'm so much happy and I feel very good ki I joined the EduplusNow and good knowledge I am gaining. After that I'm learning first I've learned the SQL. After that I've learned the Power BI, machine learning. These languages I'm learned, and I'm good trained on that. So my confidence level little bit upgrade, and my knowledge also upgraded, and my confidence increased. After that overall side by side I'm doing the job also. So I am giving the IGP's internal job posting. My next plan is in my personal life. My next plan is related my IGP. That's why I'm doing this course. So over there also I'm getting the positive impact in my job also. Like in my job I'm taking the new task presentation, or I'm taking the new Excel, because in my job we are not having that authority. Professionals professional use cases and projects they are sharing. So that is very much helpful for me, how to learn and how to go. The path is they are sharing with the technical knowledge. They are sharing the path also, where to do, how to do, what to learn for my as per my experience, as per my project, where I can learn and where I can share my knowledge in my company. So EduplusNow is, of course, technically faculty is good, but from the for your career also it is helpful. They are helping each and everything. So good, it is my good decision. I have selected the EduplusNow for the data analytics course. Yes, thank you.